In this video, we will learn trick for the beginner user of Excel sheet. So let's start. If you are the beginner and you don't know about the tab option of Excel sheet, you don't remember every option of Excel sheet of so then you can use this trick. So what is a tree? If you want to remove the duplicate value from this data and you don't know where is it option in tab, then you can use this way. First select your full data, then right click of the mouse and here you see the search the main. Here you can search, just enter what you want, remove duplicate. I want remove duplicate. Just see when I enter remove word, the remove duplicate option show here. Just click on it and here you see that you can remove from product ID or profit. I tick the both item, you can untick those you want. So I select the both item and click on OK. 5 duplicate value found is removed and 19 unique value remain. Click on OK. That's it. Here you see you can use this technique. If you want to see again, just select the full data and right click of the mouse and go to the search the menu and I want to print this data, search the print and click on the print preview and the print. Here you see your print preview option show here. Now you can just click on the print option, select your printer and get your print. So this is a way you can search the menu by right click of the mouse. You can search the anything those you want. If you don't know about the alt tab option. Okay. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.